Join me as we bring these elegant Japanese cranes to life with acrylic paint. In this two-part tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire painting process step by step. In Part 1, we'll create the background and paint the initial base layers of the cranes. In Part 2, we'll focus on the feather details and add beautiful gold accents to complete the artwork. To prepare the surface, I applied several coats of gesso to the wooden panel, creating a smooth and ready-to-paint foundation. Now, using different shades of blue, I blend the colors together with a soft, damp, flat brush to create the background. If the paint begins to dry too quickly and becomes difficult to blend, simply mist a little water onto the surface and continue blending. Working efficiently during this stage is important. Next, using the edge of a flat brush and white paint, we create gentle water ripples. Moving the brush up and down, as well as side to side, helps create the natural feeling of flowing water. Now, I'll transfer the design using graphite paper and cover the entire bodies of the cranes with white paint. Join me in part 2, where we'll paint the crane's features and feathers in detail. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future painting projects.